I start with the hand in front of me. But then I don't
And you can do palm up tap to go back in the menu. And for example, open the assist app. And you can check some boxes. You get it. And you can have your arm like in a rest position, like here, and still interact. And now it's on raycast, so you can also use it as mouse cursor basically.
something is broken. Ah no, wait, now it's a mouse.
Yeah, there's the cursor.
Okay, now I can. But is the tracking with
It's just via IMU and the head position, and we estimate the elbow position, and that is basically, in fact, it's only mouse and left click and right click that we mapped. So the integration is very simple and right.
Like this, we work with IoT companies, automotive, a bunch of Swedish automotive companies, and nice.
You're welcome.
Take me a picture like this.
Yeah.